Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1024, and today's topic is the health benefits of consuming warm water. It's not hot water, it's warm, just slightly more than your body temperature. And in previous lecture, I have already discussed the benefit of hydration. To be hydrated means you have to drink enough water, 5 to 10 glasses of water, that is 200 ml water in each glass, and it has lot of health benefit. But there is some special type of health benefit once we take warm water, especially before food and early in the morning when you are getting up. Start with warm water. The drinking of warm water is beneficial first to your digestive system. It will accelerate your digestive system, and if anybody who is having a problem in bowel movement, constipation, it helps a lot. The second benefit is obesity, because this warm water is capable of dissolving some of the fat and other undesired material in it, and it will be flushed out, and it adds to your getting away from obesity, or the chance of obesity is reduced once we take warm water. Thirdly, the warm water is very important for those people who are suffering from joint pain and back pain. Once we take warm water, the symptom of joint pain and back pain is drastically reduced, especially in the morning. And also, when we are taking warm water in the morning, some people, they have the tendency of running nose and some throat choking, and also some respiratory problem, some infection. So once you take warm water and steaming, it will reduce drastically the symptom of nose running, and also the respiratory tract will be activated. And also the warm water, we know our body itself contains more than 60% water, and we are fluid. We are not neither liquid nor solid, in between. And lot of oxidative and reductive reactions, ionic reactions are taking place in our body. Every second, enzyme action, hormone action. So if warm water we are taking, it will accelerate the reaction, especially the ionic reaction, because in our body, the blood is mixture of protein, fat, and some other minerals. Also sodium ion, potassium ion, and if we are taking warm water, it will accelerate the movement of these ions. And these ions, they are electrically charged. So the electrical message they are giving to each cell is because of this positively charged potassium ion, sodium ions. And even if there is deficiency of potassium ion, there is serious issue. Maybe you will get muscle pain and muscle cramp because of ionic disbalance. It is a very good electrolyte. It acts as a medium, solvent, to be very good electrolyte. And also, it elevates your mood. If you are having anxiety or depression, and if you take tea, coffee, it is also warm and hot, or warm water, it will reduce the symptom of depression and anxiety, because it has some impact on your neurochemistry, neurocells. So these are all very important health benefit of warm water. And also the warm water is very important for our skin health. The toxins of our skin, means on upper layer, once you are taking it, it will remove the toxins by sweating. Once you are taking warm water, you will get sweating, and the sweating will wash out the toxins from your skin. Your skin will be shining, soft, and it will become a little bit light in color. And in this way, it will add to your looking young. Even if you are old, if your skin is tight and elastic, good, it will give, or it will add positive to your personality, means you will look young. So warm water is having lot of health benefit. So I am going to give the same summary one by one. So here number one, that is, I have already given, but it's just a summary. Number one, most of us know about the health benefits of keeping hydrated. Means we all know that if we are dehydrated, we will face lot of problem, and that I have already discussed in previous lecture. But most people do not know the drinking of warm water and its health benefit, which can provide more health benefits for our body and skin. Number two, in recent research study, the researchers say that water is beneficial for body if it is warm. In general, it is beneficial. The benefits of drinking warm water cannot be underestimated. We all know our body contains 60% water, and that's why we are not solid, we are fluid. Water, and it is important to consume water, is just like a fuel to the body. Doctors recommend 11 to 16 glasses of water every day. That is, 11 to 16 glasses of water means from morning till evening. It doesn't mean that all the glasses of water should be warm. The more specifically before taking any food like lunch, breakfast, dinner, even when you are going to bed in the night, before that you can take warm water, so maybe 3-4 glasses. Number three, warm water can relieve cold or overcome cold by drinking warm water in the morning. It can help a lot, once you are drinking warm water, or it is very common in India and Asia, even in most of the countries. Morning starts with tea and coffee. But of course, coffee is not recommended for this reason here, warm water, because coffee contains some phytochemicals and caffeine. They are not beneficial to our health. Best is warm water or the green tea without milk or sugar. It can reduce the symptoms of running nose, stuffy nose, and can protect from respiratory infections, which are very common in cold season, which we are approaching now in January. Number four, drinking warm water in the morning can activate metabolism, and once metabolism is activated, it means your lot of fat and other toxins will be melted, decomposed, and in this way the more fat burning can reduce the chance of obesity. So here number five, drinking warm water helps to overcome joint and abdominal pain. It is also good for sensitive teeth and cavity in teeth. So once regularly you are using warm water, it will protect from sensitivity and also the cavities in them, and also it helps in making skin light, lightening by breaking down of toxins deposited on the skin. Detoxification is accelerated by increasing body temperature, not too hot. Sweating plays very important role in detoxifying the skin. Number 7, according to recent research publication, warm water is good agent for inducing thermogenesis. Is before taking food, take 1 glass of warm water, and that is 200 ml. Number 8, by drinking warm water, injured muscles get blood circulation and reduces pain. So if suppose people are having injury and muscles are injured, if they take warm water, it will accelerate the oxygen supply, and in this way the symptom of pain, acute pain, will be reduced. Number 9, consuming hot green tea has lot of health benefits of anti-cancer effect and reducing the chance of Parkinson's. And it is well known fact that green tea means it contains lot of phytochemicals and they are all anti-cancerous, especially the floral compounds. A lot of recent publications are there that in warm water, if flavonoids means all deep color flower and fruit which are deep yellow, deep red, deep blue, it is all rich in flavonoids. So in warm water, if flavonoids are taken, it reduces 70 to 75% of tumor formation, which is malignant, and reducing the chances of Parkinson disease. After taking hot tea or warm water, bad mood, anxiety symptoms are reduces. It improves central nervous system and reduces the chance of depression, those who are feeling depressed, and it can activate the central nervous system by taking warm water. And usually people take warm tea and they call it is a mood booster. Those who are having some dull mood or not feeling well, people will say, please let us have a cup of tea, so that it will boost the mood. So that is because of the phytochemicals. And number 10, it prevents aging by protecting the skin from different type of toxins. So with this, I will stop. Please, is my advice. First is that